Good morning, it's Jeremy. It's Friday, August the 22nd. I'm just down at Toronto Harbourfront this morning, and I'm going to experiment with an artificial horizon. This is the artificial horizon here. This is my Marine Sextant, which I bought around 1982 in Singapore. Anyways, about 7 or 8 years ago, I bought this artificial horizon here. It's a German one. It's very, very accurate, very well precisioned machine. And the way it works is there's a light bulb inside the horizon which causes the bubble to light up. Without the light bulb on, you can't see the bubble. And I got a battery pack, and it's got an on-off switch, and I'm using 2 NiCad batteries there. And this cover here has Velcro on it, so I can just Velcro it onto the sextant. It fits quite nicely. The only difficulty is when it comes to matching the unit to the existing sextant. This is a bracket which I made with a 3D printer, and it fits on here. And the concept is that there's a ridge here, and the ridge fits into the bracket, and this ridge fits into the sextant mounting. Unfortunately, this artificial sextant and artificial horizon and my sextant, these ridges are actually opposite each other, so they don't match, which is too bad. But anyways, with the bracket, it seems to work. So this morning what I'm going to do, I haven't played with this in a while, so I'm going to calibrate it, and the way you do that is I've got a good water horizon here on Lake Ontario, so I'm going to adjust the index error on the sextant with the artificial horizon. And then I'm about 3 meters above the water level, so I'm going to adjust for the dip. So the actual horizon, since you've got a dip, the horizon appears to be lower, but the actual horizon is higher, and you adjust for that with the dip, and then you set the bubble to that. So that's what I'm going to do. There's also another way of doing it by measuring to a known star, like say Polaris, and you figure out, you know, what the altitude is, and you can come up with a correction factor. That's another way of doing it. Okay, so I've got the unit on, and you can see the mounting bracket there, and I've just got the battery pack tucked in with Velcro. It's just on the sextant body, and I've measured the index error, which is 3.5 minutes off, and my height of eye is 3 meters, which is another 3 minutes. So I've added that to the index error, so I'm now, instead of 56.5, I'm at 53.5, and I've adjusted the bubble, and it matches exactly to the adjusted horizon. I'm going to look, see if I can get this inside the mirror there. I'm going to move it around, see if we can get a picture.
Hey, oh, you like the Starbucks?